Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of June. We're going to cover everything, your love, life, money, health, business, anything that the cards reveal to us. Your cards are already out like I just said. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to know more about the personal reading, the rituals or the counseling session, stay tuned till the end and I will give you more information. Let's begin. Let's see what's happening. The first week, this is a general reading. Now remember, you've got the Five of Spades and the Emperor card. I will be posting a weekly reading as well, which will include both your love and career. I do see a lot of fight is happening, like arguments are happening, or competition is really tough, especially in your work regarding the authority, who has more power, who has more authority, who earns more. So your business might have tough competitors, or your job might have a lot of applicants for the same job or position or promotion. I do see that it is a fight about authority and position of some sort, like who's doing better than who. But I do see that irrespective of the competition, you will get that kind of balance and financial stability. It's not going to hamper your growth as such. You are getting that kind of stability in your life. Okay, but yes, the competition is tough. You'll have to really fight your way through, that's for sure. It's not going to be a smooth fight. In the second week, you've got the Nine of Moons and the Two of Suns. I do see now in your relationships you could expect a celebration. Maybe you have started a new relationship, but unfortunately it's not working out the way you wanted it to. That's probably because you both have compatibility issues. We need a yin and yang energy, which means if someone is dominating, the other has to be submissive. But if both of you are equally dominating and equally hot-headed and equally egoistic, this relationship is not going to work unless one of you compromises. If you bend a little, if you keep quiet knowing that the other person is wrong, and then they're angry, you keep quiet, then only it's going to work. And that same goes for your work life also. If you are especially dealing with your bosses and your colleagues or your investors, and you know that this person is talking shit, but you have to keep quiet and listen, because otherwise it's going to hamper your position, your growth, your business, right? So you will have to compromise a lot. You will have to keep quiet no matter what the other person is saying and how wrong they are. If you compromise, you will get that success, you will get that peace in your relationship. But if you don't, there will be a chances of constant arguments and bickering in your relationships, professional and personal. In the second half of June, you have got the One of Moons and the Moon card. I do see that you are very hopeful that some situation is going to change for the better, or maybe somebody has changed or something like that. I do see that there is a hidden agenda, like somebody is playing games with you, somebody is lying to you, somebody is cheating on you, somebody is deceiving you. They are showing you a face which is not their true face. So if you have just met someone, if you this is a new relationship that you've just started, I will have to ask you to be careful, because somebody is not showing you the true picture of who they are. Maybe they are after your money, maybe they are not as nice as they seem, right? Or maybe they are not as well off as they seem. Similarly, it goes for your business relationships and your professional relationships as well, where somebody is showing you to be extra nice or extra giving, or a deal looks like it's like without any glitch, but there are some hidden agendas. The disclaimers are hidden. So please make sure that you're reading the documents properly. You're not trusting people easily. Make sure that you are trusting your intuition and your dreams also. If your intuition says that this person or this deal is off, or doesn't, or is too good to be true, then it might actually be true. Okay, so listen to your intuition and your dreams a lot. They will be guiding you. There is definitely some sort of deceit and game playing which is happening here. In the last week of June, you've got the Four of Moons and the Hangman. Well, I do see that there were blockages and hurdles in your relationships, in your professional relationships also. Maybe somebody stabbed you in the back, lied to you, cheated on you, ghosted you, did not choose you, chose someone else, your client chose someone else, the investor chose someone else, your vendors chose someone else, or your relationship spouse chose someone else, right? Your partner chose someone else over you. It can be any situation, but I do see that you have been betrayed, that your trust has been broken. But I also see that this could have happened in the previous week or month as well. But you're still carrying on that hurt energy with you. Now with the hangman here, you have been asked to move on from this pain. Okay. The longer you carry this pain, the longer you delay what is to come to you. So if you think that Okay, you made a mistake, you trusted someone too deeply, or your partner cheated on you. If you still want to keep that relationship or marriage, you will move on from that hurt. You will have to forgive your partner, and you know, then your relationship will be smooth. If you want to end something, or if you have already ended something, you will have to move on from that person, that stuck energy in your head, and try to move on to find a new partner. Because I do see that better opportunities, better partner is waiting around the corner. They are just waiting for you to get out of that stuck energy, right? The moment you get out of that stuck energy, better opportunities, better partnerships, better deals, better spouse will come your way. So it's like that, right? But the longer you hold on to that hurt, the longer you delay your better life changes. Okay. So take this as a lesson. I know this month is going to be very challenging for you. You will have to be very careful. There will be a lot of fights and arguments and competitions and deceits and lying at every step. It could be happening only in one area of your life, like your career, and not in your personal life. It can be happening only in your love life and not in your career. Or for some of you, it can be happening in the both life spheres as well. So take what resonates with you. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in my life, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can get these readings in advance and you're prepared to how to handle the situation. And also comment and let me know which situation you resonated with. I will be reading it, liking it, and try to reply to all of you. Other than that, if you still have any question on your mind, you have specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, you can always book your personal reading. If you have blockages in your life, you can always book a blockage removal ritual. I have budgeted prices, okay? Easy, powerful rituals. Not like you need a lot of ingredients and stuff, or it's very expensive. No, it's not. You will check the prices, you'll be shocked. Because I want to reach the masses, I've kept my prices really, really low. But if you're looking for audio video readings, then obviously the prices are going to be different for that. Other than that, there are two love readings. One is Oracle love reading, especially for no contact, to know your partner's current feelings, and the other one is Mystic love reading for all love situations, right? In contact, no contact, anything. Then I have packages. If you're single, I have different set of questions. Why are you single? When is the partner coming? What are the blockages? And there is a free remedy there as well to remove the blockages. Same goes for people in love. Same goes for people who want to focus on their career. What is the blockage? What is stopping you from the growth that you deserve? And then I have spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you need guidance, therapy, you need somebody to listen to you, share your burdens and secrets, you can always come to me. With the help of your angels, I will be guiding you. I will be telling you what's actually blocking you, and I will give you a remedy here as well. Yes, all these prices are very budgeted, so go check it out. I have a lot of services available, so all of this is mentioned in my description box. And if you would like to make any booking, either you email me at arthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha tab. And guys, also please follow me on Instagram, because here I'll only be meeting you weekly. There on a daily basis I post, the prices, the rituals, when is the right time to do, when not, new services that I've launched, any discounts that are going on daily basis. So please follow me on Instagram, subscribe me here. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care. Bye bye.